Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the named slots we have seen, right? Now we need to learn about the scoped slots. Before continuing to the scoped slots, I want to cover some of the topics, some of the topics in the slots. So just shorthand notation and some of the topics in the slots I want to tell you. So let's see in this video. Before continuing to this video, if you are coming first time to here, please do support me by subscribing to my channel so that I'll be posting more and more front-end development courses. Now coming to this video, so here if you see here the named slots we have written, right? So now here the named slots we have written right here. We have written something like VIFN slot colon header we have written. We can remove this VIFN slot like this and we can keep the hash shorthand notation. Okay, so we can write the hash here. There is no problem. Okay, we can write the hash here. Now what I can do, if I refresh this one, so the same output, you'll be getting the same output. Okay, so this is the first one. And now see what happens is, this is the profile card component, right? Now what I will try to do is, I will try to copy the same content. Okay, now I will paste it here. Now what it will happen, you will be getting two header titles. I don't want the header title to be displayed here. Okay, so I will just remove this header title here. Now what is happening here, the title will be removed here. If I now, my requirement is, if I don't mention any title or anything, just I need to show some default title. Okay, I need to show some default title. How I can show that one? So we cannot mention here directly, right? Now what we can do is, we can go to the profile and in between this slot we can write div default header. So that means what it will happen is, in between this slot, if you mention any content here, if the header data, if the header template is not mentioned here, then automatically this fallback content will be displayed. Now if you go here and if I refresh this one, you will be able to see the default header. Why? Because the fallback content is there. So the slot, that the content, the template is not there in the component. So that is the reason the fallback content is displayed. In the same scenario, you can come here and you can do the same default content. You can write the default content, and here also you can write default footer. You can mention. Now what is the thing happens here? You can remove all these things. Okay, now the profile card here is there, and you can see all the default content, default header and default footer is there. Okay, so this is how we can mention the defaults, fallback content. So if you don't mention any slots or anything, so fallback content you can mention like this. Okay, and another thing I want to tell you, another thing is, so for example in the logic side, if you want to get the data slots thing, so we can get using the dollar slots here. I can write here something like console.log this dot dollar slots. If I write this dot dollar slots here, now if I try to refresh this page, and after going to the console, okay, let's go to the console and let me refresh it again. Okay, now I got this one is a proxy. Okay, this the three proxies I'm getting, right? Now here in this one, we don't get anything. Why? Because the second component doesn't have anything. Now here in the target we are able to get the default footer and header we are able to get. So why? Because default slots, footer slot and the default slot is mentioned here. So that is the reason we are getting. Now let's assume that, okay, now I will apply something for the header, padding of 20 pixel. Okay, let's assume the title is not there, default slot is not there for here. Okay, now if I refresh this one, see, if you see here, we don't have the fallback content, right? So still we are able to see some, what I can say, background. So now in this scenario, if the guy, if the component doesn't have anything, so header thing, then we don't need to show this div class is equal to header, this thing all we do, there is no need to show. So we need to hide it everything. Okay, how can we do this one? So using these dollar slots we can do this one. Why? Because, so here if you go here, you are showing this div class is equal to header, and that is the reason this is the empty div also we are getting, but we don't have the content here. Why? Because we didn't mention the fallback content, and also the slot content also is not there. So now only the div class is equal to header is showing. So if there doesn't mention anything here in the profile card, if there doesn't have anything in the template header thing, no need to show this div classical header. How we can do? Okay, we can directly check by using the condition v hyphen if, okay, dollar slots dot header. Header is the name, right? So we know that slot name header is the name, right? So that is why slots header. If the slot header is only there, then only show this one. Otherwise, don't show. Now if I go and if I refresh this code, see the header has gone. So this way we can write the, we can make use of this dollar slots. Okay. So these are the concepts of the thing. This dot dollar slots. You can use this one, and all just like this dot dollar ATTRs. How you are using, same thing like that. And also the shorthand notation of this slot name mentioning, and also the fallback content. So how we can mention the fallback content. Okay. So these are about the some of the topics in the slots. Okay, if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.